my favorites. I'll say it, then you give it a try. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. A peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked. But if Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers, where's the peck of pickled peppers?
That's no good. That's no good at all. That's not what's in the script. Hold on.
You said it was bad here. You should have been bad anywhere.
There's a script right there now.
Great Scott! It says she sells seashells by the seashore.
Yeah.
Deck the halls with boughs of honey. I said deck the halls, not me.
I lost it, and on the way I lost it. I wrote a letter to my friend, and on the way I lost it. But now I found it. Oh.
If you could just find the skills to pick it up.
It's stuck in goose poo. Here goes.
Look at that!
Whoops.
Now, on her journey, the third little pig found a big pile of bricks.
These bricks are just what I need. It will take some time to lay all these bricks, but they will make a fine, strong house.
Remember when we were in the tree house and I told you I was working on a few surprises? Well, one was our healthy snack treasure hunt, and the other surprise is
The jungle is the place to go. The jungle is the place to go. I lost my head on that one.
Tomorrow is school picture day, when they take everybody's picture. Well, we want our smiles to look good, so we're practicing.
Oh, I see.
Hey, let's take a picture of Barney.
Yeah.
London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady.
Come on, Bingo. Come on, stop. Come on, Bingo. Come on.
Come on, Bingo.
Come on.
Uh-oh, we forgot the clipboard with the list of exercises. Uh-oh, we forgot the list of exercises on it.
Well, that's okay, Jill.